Happy Canada Day! July 1st. At mag-outing ulit tayo. Dadal muna kami dito sa Kapihan at sa Shoppers Drug Mart. Time now is 8:52 Monday. Dito tayo sa Bramley City Center. Ayan, mag-order tayo ng mga kape dito. Meron akong kan dito eh.
Iba pala yung ano no? Oh, same.
Ayan, larga na naman tayo. Pwedeng ilan dito eh, kung gusto ko.
Later.
Yan is cool oh, start now. Pitik-pitik lang. Kanya lang. Bawal magkapit pag nagdadrive. Shoppers can open.
Oh, is it open?
Might be.
9 o'clock? I know it's open, but I didn't see. Nakalimutan ko. Tino natin dito tayo.
Yan, diretso lang tayo nito o sa kabila?
Oh, we have to go here first.
Hindi, diretso lang yan yung papunta na.
I know. No, we can go that side. You want to open?
Open ang Shoppers pala oh. Metro, Neutrals.
No, they're not open.
Chinese.
Chinese lang open, not Metro. They are open now or not yet?
Crash? Again? Dami talaga dito sa Brampton. Okay. Dito na tayo sa loob. Yun, hanap kami ng mabili.
Small that. What's that?
Yung madinggoy. Sale. Maliit.
Sa baba.
Ito ang post office nila oh. Ayan, diyan ka magpadala ng parcel. Ayan, ready na tayo. Punta na tayo sa pupuntahan natin.
Is this done?
Ayan,
Oh, there.
pagkalubas.
Sana. Oh, it's there.
Reverse tayo eh. Yun.
Oh, it's cold.
Hindi ko na video. Nanalo kami ng loto.
Grabe siya, oh. Wala, $10? You're crazy.
At least nanalo. Hindi ko naman sinabing malaki.
Gosh.
May pangkapi na naman tayo. Simple living nga ang buhay.
I shared it too on Facebook.
Yeah.
Tito Edgar's here, I think.
Yan, nandyan siya.
May ano. Oh.
Yan, daming nag-aapan. Pa-practice.
Yeah, I guess. Today's the best time kasi walang ano sa road.
Yeah. Saka pira rin yun.
Happy Canada Day! How many years now?
150 yan dati. After how many years?
I know this is 150, right?
Yeah. 2017 pa yan.
162 na ba? 17. 158? 158?
Tanda na. Blink na ang pedestrian. Okay ah.
Maganda rin sana yan, ano?
Cookview Drive.
Nakuha natin bahay dyan. Kaya very small.
Yeah, kasi mga bagong design
Mas
dati
isa?
yan na
600? 500?
Pero may gas ako
Nice.
dito eh. Ay, malapit na tayo. 2 minutes na lang. Yun. Para hindi masilawan.
Future and the next generation. Hi, I'm Todd C. Slater at Simple Investor. I would like to personally invite you to my Simple seminar webinar on Thursday, July the 25th at 7 p.m. I'm going to show you how simple it is to secure your financial future for you and your family through investment real estate. I will also be doing our great down payment giveaway.
Kuha ko yung ilaw.
Go to thesimpleinvestor.com today. The Simple Investor. We make the world of real estate.
What's that?
Simple. Breaking story from
Reflection.
Oh, here?
Yeah.
Clothing boutique. She called Alpine Credits and was sent a speedy Supergirl to help with a business loan. Super speed doesn't translate to radio, but when our
Nakalaman to yung intersection na to. Sandalwood.
if you ran at the speed of light, you'd sound funny too. Own your home.
Binigyan pa akong time na magkape.
Alpine Credit, where homework is approved. It's your license 12616. 680 Beers time, 9:17.
9:17, kaupan ng 9. Oh. Tayong mauuna dyan ah.
You kidding me? Marami ng tao dyan.
Ayos.
Sa long weekend.
14 North tayo.
14 North. This is where to go. This one. Caledon?
Yeah.
Diyan ba tayo nagpunta? Dixie, di ba?
Yeah, diretso lang yan. Diyan tayo.
Where is this? Where
Apple
is this
picking.
going? Huh? No?
Apple picking.
Apple picking is there. Heart Lake. Sa Downey Farm.
Mamaya, pagka may time. Kaya lang baka puno na.
I don't think may apple. Wala pong apple. Apple is October, I think. September, October. Oh my gosh, I think there's a lot of people that...
Daming line up.
See, there's a lot of people coming in.
I know.
Ayan yung sinasabi ko sa'yo. The swamp.
Oh.
Diba may buwaya dyan? Ah,
Nagpatay yan dahil ang dumi.
ano? Dami po
Nakita
punta,
na.
oh. Don't forget to stamp, ha? Oh, is that stamp for coming out or what?
Yeah.
Coming
ito,
out?
Yung receipt.
Oh. Tap.
Ayan, dalawa tayo.
There's a lot of, ano?
Dito lang tayo sa Heart Lake. Pinakamalapit.
Free top
Accessible lahat.
tracking open today. Okay, how much is it?
Yan ang
Passenger
membership.
24.
Conservation Park membership. Oh, meron para plus tax. Ayan. $24.
$24. Do you,
Large commercial.
is your
2 years of age.
debit? Ah, debit lang talaga di.
Ibit lang.
Yeah, so no cash. This is nice. I like it here. Kasi very ano siya.
Too close.
No, it's close and 8 p.m. ngayon, no?
Hanggang 8 lang.
Yeah. Debit, debit.
Ayan, debit. Debit. Hi.
Hi.
What brings you guys to the park today?
Little picnic. Yes.
So we do just charge a parking fee. It's going to be $27.12, but you can come in and out of the park until we do
Okay,
the
yes.
Okay.
We might have to go.
just show us your receipt if you're coming back.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Kunin natin yung receipt.
Where's the parking? Thank you.
Thanks.
You too. Keep the receipt for going in and out.
27.12.
Oh, because she charged us for parking for $3. Right? So this is nice. It's nice here. It's solemn and quiet. Bushy. Ay, ito pala ka lang. Usually ba anong oras? What did it say? Pool and splash, treetop
Ikot
trekking.
muna tayo kaya.
No! First to Hillandale, Shady Nook. Here.
Nahulog eh. Tuloy yung ligaya.
Ang daming tao,
Meron
dami na.
nakapasok ah.
Yeah. Oh,
Ulan
God,
tayo
yeah.
ah.
You have plastic in the back, right?
Yeah. Dala mo?
Ano plastic? No.
Yung makapal?
Yeah, nandyan.
Oh.
Di ba doon tayo last time?
Yeah, saan tayo mag...
Doon tayo. Somewhere. Oh, look, may ano, ang ganda oh.
Yeah, may
May washroom din dito kasi. But parang, ayan ang washroom eh oh.
Oh.
Kasi yan hindi pwede yan dahil may ano yan.
Anong gusto mo doon?
There. No, over there. Ikot ka muna doon.
Kaso malayo nga dyan.
Ito yung atin, di ba?
Yeah, ito,
Buti may
ito
malayo.
sa atin.
Buti may malayo.
Ito yung sa atin.
Yeah, I know. But I don't like it there. Doon sa baba, doon. Just in
Tingin
case.
tayo kung may ikon dyan. Yan is may ikon, no? Wild.
Yeah, I know. Kaya nga, pwede
Splash.
maligo dyan. Yeah. Shady Nook. You wanna go there?
Malayo na yan. Malayo ka na dyan.
No, mas malayo nga yun, di ba? Kasi yan pababa eh. I don't want it too close naman dito sa washroom. It's gonna be crowded here, Dad. It's gonna be
Kasi
crowded
nga, ang
here.
habol natin dyan yung restaurant.
No. Walking lang yun eh. I don't like it here. It's very close.
Feeding pool. Yan, dumarami ng tao. nakaset up na partial. So tinan natin. Yun, nandyan oh, marami ng tao. Anong parking? So umpisa na natin. Canada dito dahil July 1st. So nandun yung ko namin, ready na. So, maglalagay na ako. Ilagay ko na lahat. Marami ba yung yahoy?
Yeah.
Kabuntot.
Hey, sakit yan.
Ayan o. Dami nilagay ko. So, dami na siguro ng ihawin dyan eh. Ito lang tayo. Medyo malayo-layo ng konti. Yan, di ba? Yan, ready na yan. Yeah,
Too spicy.
it's okay.
Okay.
Saan yung mantika?
No, that's okay. Wait, wait. Put more. That's okay.
Saan yung pangpang ko dito? Ang sandok ko. Diba?
Yes.
Wala pa ito. Yasin?
Yeah, here. And pepper.
I-scramble ko pa o hindi na?
Make sure it's cooked.
Ayan. Dito sana tayo. Tingnan mo nga. Kita mo ako.
How do you do it?
Yan, kapatid na yan.
It's going down. You're cut.
Iangat mo na lang.
Ang lakas ng ano mo. Ng apoy.
Ganyan mo na lang. Ano.
No, this has to move. Yeah, that's it. The isda. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I know.
Dos. Yun. Ano ka na yung
Oh, it's too much thing. Too much apoy.
okay. Yun. Linisan lang yan. Usok. Mausok.
It's too much apoy.
Oh.
Cut it. Put some water.
Hindi, pag binaliktad yan, mawawala yan.
No, kasi it's too oily.
Okay.
What happened to the talong? Here, put it here before it gets burned again. Here. It's burning. Put it back, put it back. Put it back later.
Ayan. Bakit?
Kasi it's burning kasi dahil it's of the oil. Chicken put in the middle. The other one is ano. Huwag mo nang balikin yan kasi ano pa yan. Let's put some
good. Diba? Mamaya yung mais at saka isda pampano. Yan na, susunod na ang mais. Yan yung luto na. Ang kain na. Medyo malamig kaya ako nakakakan. Best. Kain tayo ng ribs. Mamaya. Oh, mukbang tayo. Belly. Lambot. doon sa Canada Day. May kamalo. Baka rin ang isa. Bye.
I'm done. Thank you.
Ayaw niya. Nawala lang ako eh.
Smells good.
Atat ko muna to. Kasi walang pan.
Oh, we're gonna eat it here. Ano ba yun? Init.
Walang hugasan. Bigyan mo ng asin?
Nasa sale already. Kanina pa.
Ha?
Ang tama yan?
Walang asin?
May asin na yan. Marami na asin. I put it in asin. Kanina mga gawin sila.
Corn. Good.
On?
Mhm.
Is it on for a long time?
Nope.
Ayun lang? Pabait.
Si Mag. Si Maggie. Si Nick. Nick. Belated happy birthday again. Today is July 1st. Nico's birthday is June 29. Ito yung kan namin. Niluto ko kanina. Oh. Wow. And the rest is you. Canada Day.
Tita Julie said if we have the time by 4 to do the invite.
Wow. Kaya na.
Where's the rice?
Happy Canada Day! Then, take a picture. Medyo mo na yan.
Really fast here.
Hindi na naman.
No, then chill. Like you're way too fast. Look at those dogs. Oh, you should go slower. It's like a 10 kilometer.
Init ano?
Oh, ang dami pala dito. Buti pwede nga dito sila eh. Kasi nalalayuan sila. I think if I'm gonna do outdoor work, I'm gonna do it with friends. What do you mean? If I'm gonna do outdoor work again, I'm gonna do it when I apply.
Outdoor work? Ano yung outdoor work?
Sa labas, lad. Sa labas. Ang dami pa dito.
Ayun o. Yan tayo noon eh. Nung tayo.
Yeah. Yeah.
Doon tayo.
Sandali na naman tayo. Hindi naman tayo, no?
Ayun.
Yeah. We just, ano.
Ayan, pwede na. Patay mo na. Ito yung Sumsum bus. Zoom. Let's go. Zoom. Brampton Station. Region of Police Department. Pupunta natin dyan sa Chinguzi Park. That's the Brahmali Terminal. Ayan. Police. Dito ang police dati. Ayan. Yeah. Hi guys, we're going July 1st, Canada Day. We're watching for the fireworks. Freedom. Creek. Chinguzi Park. Services. Panda plane.
Barbecue?
Panda plane. Good.
Can you take a picture with the...
Tada! Yan, panda plane. Cool.
Remember you saw that party lang natin?
Yeah. Oh. Ibang design. Yeah, I know. The end.
I don't think it's done. It's almost 10 minutes.
Bibigyan ng yan, final yan. Saple. Dito kami sa street.
Green Street.
Street.
Central Park.